Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me.
This ride is perfectly safe. Everything has been designed for your comfort and enjoyment.
If this ride is so safe, why is it called Oblivion?
Relax. Sit back and enjoy the experience.
Don't listen to him! What happens when the ride goes underground? Have you ever seen anyone who's actually survived it and come out the other side?
It is natural to have slight feelings of anxiety at this point. Just relax and prepare for a pleasurable experience. There is no cause for concern.
Have you heard the screams? I've heard that some of the ride cars go missing!
This ride is perfectly safe.
How do we know? How do we know that some people haven't disappeared? Don't believe him! He's trying to lull you into a false sense of security!
Just stay calm. It will all be over quicker than you expect.
What will be over exactly? The ride? Your life? Have you got any idea what you're letting yourself in for?
This ride is perfectly safe. Everything has been designed for your comfort and enjoyment.
Get real! This is the world's first vertical drop roller coaster! Free fall! Straight down! You just get to the edge and that's it! You don't see what's coming! You don't know what's down there, and you may not be coming back!
Just sit back and enjoy the experience.
You're nearly at the point of no return! Hasta la vista, baby! Good night, Vienna! Get out now! While you still can!
Have a pleasant trip. See you around. Bye.
Welcome